Morning, everybody. Today we are second September 2025, and we are glad this morning to meet all the Burkina Faso people, having a being in peace. And before I come in my peace, to I'm going to pray for our soldier, pray for our VDP, pray for our government for what we are doing for us. And before I move, also, I'm going to pray for our traditional chief, our Muslim, and our Christmas. Burkina Faso is a country that everybody can do we can do is a religion, and we are seeking for all of them. We pray for all Burkina Faso living in Burkina Faso. And before coming out, we are going also to thank our government, our leader, our unifier, our king of kings, our desire, our Ibrahim Traore, the president of IS, the president of Burkina Faso, president of the youth in the world. And we are very glad this morning because our government are done a very good job, a wonderful job. And we are going to take this what we are doing, we did to give our people, our leaders, our citizens, because these laws are first. You know that Burkina Faso, before the revolution comes, in democracy we see that if you are a transit, you come from abroad, you can have Burkina Faso nationality, but now it is forbidden for all transits living in Burkina Faso. The nationality of Burkina Faso is forbidden for all transit or all who are coming from abroad. They are forbidden for that. But there is a condition. If you want to have Burkina Faso identity card, you have to marry. You have to marry at least 5 years. But maybe you have to get married with Burkina Faso citizen, meaning that Burkina Faso get a wife. 5 years. After 5 years, you can manage to give you your identity card. You can be Burkina Faso citizen. Secondly, the second law is what the date of marriage. In Burkina Faso, the government done a new law. The date of marriage is fixed to 60 to 18. Before getting married, you have to get at minimum 18 years to get married. And there are some exceptions, and this exception can be at 16. If there is a bride that needs to get married, get to a couple that they want to get married at 60, if the girl as maybe is 16 year old, it is we call in English arranged marriage. If the parents are agree with this marriage, they can go to see the justice court. We are going to take a decision. You can get married, but it is an exception. Let's go to the second one, custom and religious. Burkina Faso. You know that in democracy country, before even to come in with power, even you get married with your at a mosque or at a church. You cannot say that you are married. No, you have to marry by according to the law, to the tribunal or to the mayor, in order to be in Burkina Faso, to get married according to the law. But now the religion, the custom and religious marriages are recognized by the law, saying that if you marry your wife in the care, you marry your wife in the mosque, you have the same law that as those who are married by their wife in the tribunal of justice. It is the same law, meaning that to summarize, customs and religious marriages are taken into account by our government. Let's move to the second one, monogamy to polygamy. You know that in the law there are two things. A monogamy means that you cannot marry more than one wife. Only one wife. Monogamy, only one wife. And polygamy means that more than one wife. But now, even you are signed for monogamy, being in marriage, if you think that you want to add a new wife, you can go to see the justice. We are going to manage the papers, and you can resign to date that you are going to have many wives. That we call from monogamy to polygamy. You have signed it first, because there are some exceptions. You can marry a wife saying that you have to be a monogam. But if you live in your family, live 10 years, 5 years, there are some things, many things may happen. When this thing happen, you can go to manage, to remanage, and say that I'm going to live a monogamy and take into account polygamy. This also is a law that are voted by our government. Let's move to homosexuality. Okay, very good news. Very good news, a wonderful news. Homosexuality is in fact forbidden in Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso, we never talk about homosexuality because it is a bad practice in the world. Burkina Faso government take a measure for those who want to practice homosexuality. It is now forbidden, and those who are going to try to do that, we are going to see the gas in their way. Now, so homosexuality is forbidden, and those who are trying, they will be punished by the law. This is we signed by our government. And last one is nationality to decency. Nationality decency. What means nationality decency? You know that in Burkina Faso there are some citizens in Burkina Faso citizen, but they deny the country for other person. If you are Burkina Faso people, you have to take the country first before all. Burkina Faso before all. And there are some Burkina Faso citizens that are denying Burkina Faso, and they are insulting Burkina Faso for other people, for give other countries. And this way you can try. The law is permitted to eradicate your nationality. Because I am Burkina Faso, I live in Burkina Faso, but what I do some things against our government, our national Burkina Faso living, our Burkina Faso security problem. You can be one day you will call for to dismiss your identity card. You will never be Burkina Faso citizen. Thank you for our comment. Thank you for those who are listening to us. These laws are very important for our society, because when you vote a law, when you practice a law, the law must be taken into account by our citizens. But in democratic way, they take the law depending to the rich person, these people. If you are you are living in a wealth way, the law take into account you. Go to our power along. So we can so many of our people are power. If you think, for example, 100 people, 80 of them are poor, and the law don't take never take account to them, but the law take into account to the 20 person. It's not a good way. But now our government is taking a law that this law is profitable for every citizen. Thank you for future information. Thank you for who are listening to us. Thank you for all who are supporting Burkina Faso. Thank you for our soldiers and our VDP and our goals who are in battlefield for fighting and to right tourists that we are very happy, very glad with them. Thank you for who are listening to us. See you next time. Bye bye.